Which word means most nearly the same as competent? A. Query, B. Defy, C. Incapable, D. Gesticulate, or E. None of the above. As competent means having the ability to succeed at a task, let's try and locate the word whose meaning is most similar to that. As query, meaning a question, and defy, meaning to go against, have nothing to do with competent, we can mark them off. Incapable is, if anything, an opposite, as one who is incapable probably does not have the ability to succeed at a task. Seeing as we're looking for the word that's most similar, this can be marked off. Our last option, gesticulate, means to make gestures with the hands, usually accompanying speech. As this too has nothing to do with competent, we can head down and mark E, none of the above, as our final answer.